beautiful persons. My name is Wamboy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana and kindly subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this look on my natural, very short hair. Guys, as you can see, my hair is quite short and thick. It's next to impossible to put it into a bun, but we are going to try this. So I've gone ahead and divided my hair into two. I wouldn't say halves, maybe into thirds, but I'm going to be concentrating on the 1/3, and I'm going to be dividing this into 6 equal or equal-ish portions. This is not easy. So I'm using rubber bands and I'm oiling them so it's easy for me to take them off without pulling my hair. Once I've divided into 6 sections, I'm going to go into each section and divide it further to 2 sections. To achieve this look, I used edge control and I also used eco styling gel. You can use any gel that you have or any gel that you prefer. So I'm just putting some edge control on my roots, and then I'm going to divide that one section into 2. Then I'm going to use the rubber bands to secure my hair into a ponytail, a small ponytail. And guys, as you see, when I finish, I'm pulling my hair so I'm sure that the rubber band is in place, and then I'm twisting my hair to make it straight without using any heat so it will be longer. And as I'm doing it, I'm putting in some eco gel. So I'm going to do the same on the other one, but on the front ones, make sure that you lay your edges. This will give you a more sleek look. So let no one tell you that you don't have any edges to lay. Just lay them, mama. Lay them, slay them, slay them, slay them. Guys, I'm repeating that on every section. So I'm done, and then I'm going to undo my twists, and now it's time to crisscross my small ponytails. So I'm getting one section from the one side to the other one. So I'm basically just crisscrossing this and using some rubber bands to secure the hair in place. I'm going to be repeating this on every section. Remember, we have 3, so on all of them I'm going to do that. So now that I'm done, so the next thing that I'm going to do is work on the rest of the hair and put that in a bun. So I'm just spraying some water so my hair is more soft and easy to work on. And I'm going to work in section, putting my gel in. And guys, we got that ponytail. Look at that. This is magic, right? So the next thing that I'm going to do is something if you have long hair you don't need to do, but I have short hair and I need some length in the front. So I'm using some kinky hair. I tried capturing it, but my camera was acting up, but it's afro kinky, and I'm getting a piece and attaching a band and then using the rubber band to secure the hair on my small ponytails on the sections. And I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So I repeat that on every other one. And when I'm done, I'm going to put it into ponytail. This is what if I had long hair I'd have gone straight to, but then I don't, so I had to add the extension. So I'm just putting the extension into a ponytail. Make sure you secure it. You don't want it to come off. And then lay those edges, mama, lay them. This is because you want a sleek look. And then I'm going to use this head wrap. Hey, is this satin? What material is this? And then I'm going away for a few minutes to do the fun stuff, because definitely this wasn't fun. And I'll come back in a few minutes. So guys, this is after 45 minutes and I'm excited to see how this went. Yay! So look at that. I think it came out pretty well. And I'm going to use this extension. So it has some strings, and I'm going to spray some olive oil to just give it some shine, because my hair is shining, of course. So you can use any other extensions that you have. You don't have to use this particular one, so you can just use what you prefer or what you have, because so once you have secured it, it's time to accessorize it, and I'm using these gold accessories. Are they accessories? Yeah, whatever they are, those ones. I'm going to put them all over my hair. So this is it. I'm almost done. And I'm excited and I'm loving this look. Please, if you're loving it, just comment down below. I mean, look at that. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.